Hey guys, so if you're looking for the Jenni AI alternative, what are the things that you can actually like use? So the first one is ChatGPT, but I'm like sharing it and I hope in the future they are going to kind of like improve it. I would just like recommend more Claude comparing to ChatGPT because ChatGPT got way worse month by month in the past. Like I don't know if you've been using like ChatGPT in the past, but right now, it doesn't auto-generate proper citations, no build and plagiarism check, no direct PDF upload in the free tier, must verify factual accuracy. And again, like ChatGPT is hallucinating a lot. Even when you use like simple stuff, it's going to lie, it's going to protect the lie. I'm not a fan of it. Like I even stopped paying for it. So another one that is like interesting one is a Quillbot. So this is like the free version. Limits paraphrasing to 125 words a time. Premium modes, AI generated content may need revisions. Plagiarism checker is premium only. Another one that also like is interesting is PaperPal. So this is also another one that AI that brings the best in you from first idea to final draft. Some advanced features requires premium, smaller user base than Grammarly, plagiarism checker limits in free tier. So you have like free tier available for students. You can see also right here the free one here that you can actually like use for yourself. It's designed for academic writing, trained on millions of scholarly articles, understands academic language nuances, grammar and language improvement, submission readiness checks, citation generation, AI writing assistant, paraphraser for academic text. So that's pretty much it for it. Hope this video helped you a little bit and have a great day and goodbye.